portability meets power. With its compact build being slightly over an inch thin, this laptop is packed with graphics and performance power perfect for gaming on the go. 94% NTSC color range. The NTSC panel delivers higher color range, bringing to your games greater life and realism. GTX 10 series. Powered by GeForce GTX 1050Ti GPU, delivering 15% better performance over the previous 965M GPU. With the innovative Cooler Boost 4 and MSI's special gaming features, you'll be able to harness the full performance of NVIDIA's latest GeForce GTX 1050Ti GPU. View larger. View larger. View larger. Cooler Boost 4. More power means more heat, which is a performance limiting factor when it comes to gaming. MSI's Cooler Boost technology, along with up to 6-7 heat pipes within the single laptop, helps prevent throttle and allows you to maintain high system performance so you can game at your best. Note, heat pipe positioning may vary by model. High frame rates. Enjoy and utilize high-performance gaming on the latest game titles with MSI's GTX 1050Ti powered laptops. Note, results may vary. Intel 7th generation. With the innovative Cooler Boost 4 cooling solution and MSI's exclusive gaming features catered for gamers, the Intel Core i7-7700HQ releases its full performance completely on MSI gaming laptops. View larger. View larger. View larger. Gaming keyboard by SteelSeries. Every detail is especially calculated and designed for professional gamers, and now it's yours. This keyboard is with pure color backlighting, ergonomically designed with 1.9mm key travel for better responsive and tactile feedback, optimum wash zone and support of anti-ghosting for up to 45 keys. Mechanical level shielding solution makes the gaming notebook keyboard